Sa video na to, we're going to discuss the full stack game na dapat master ng bawat lalaki para ma-maintain yung long-term attraction when it comes sa dating and relationships with highly desirable women. Reminder lang, hindi ko na dapat to sinasabi pero gamitin nyo lang to sa mga babaeng you genuinely like. Huwag nyong gagamitin sa masama, to manipulate, o manira ng buhay ng may buhay. Okay? First, bago tayo mapunta sa tinatawag kong full stack game na dapat mo ma-master bilang lalaki, you need to realize first that long-term relationships are impossible until women are no longer a scarce resource for you. Think of scarcity like this one. Kung meron ka na lang isang bote ng tubig at nasa mainit na desyerto ka, most probably, you will cling to it. Di mo siya bibitawan. Magpapanik ka kapag nawala and your behavior becomes so desperate. So, yung clinging and desperate energy is what turns off high-value women. So, yung needy energy, in general, yun talaga yung number one attraction killer. Ang tawag natin dyan is scarcity mindset.